How to call the original method when it is monkey-patched. I have a class in the main project I don't want to change. I'm trying to build a plugin mechanism. So far so good, I have an extension point like this. A plugin can be written like this. This all works very well. I now get John Doe. My problem is that the original name method can be quite complex. In other words, I can't afford to call self.lastname.upper in the extended. I'd like to call the super method, which does not exist anymore because it has been overwritten. How can I change my code in order to achieve something like this? Thanks for your help. Edit. Some explanations of what I try to do. I want the plugin to patch the behavior of A. I can't afford to change existing consumers of A. There are many classes like A that could be changed. I'd like plugins to have full control and responsibility. It's true extended does not have to inherit from A, but it was an easy way to access self.firstname. I have no problem following a different design pattern if it can help. I have a workaround, but it's not very elegant and hard to generalize.
One option that might not always be the best in a language like Python is to use the @override decorator from this non-standard package. But this is a viable option only if your two functions work on different types or different number of arguments. Other than that, there's not much you can do, besides renaming your function.
This is what we call a decorator pattern. Replace the original reassignment of name to have it call a function instead, which takes the original. It then returns a new function. Later, calling a .name will call decorate_name with self, as the current instance and method will be available to it, which points to the function at the time of the reassignment.
Here's a full example of what I was hinting at. Feel free to yell at me and have me merge my answers, or downvote one or whatever, just easier to provide an alternative as a new answer. I'll let the code do the talking instead of poorly explaining it. Smiley face.
If you want to support the channel,